is a rainy Wednesday night. It's cold and wet. Shane's here and we're playing in the Pilot parking lot. He's got two approximately 20,000 pound coils on. Cut the corner a little short and clipped that blue truck. And now he's tangled up in it, so. I need to back up some more. Just a little more. Get that to clear that for when I get it off of there.
So the number he gave me is TTN Fleet Solutions, not Maverick.
Wow. Yeah, I guess that's who they use. That's fine. It doesn't matter. It's a police call, so even our contracted rates are null and void. Yeah, they're null and void. So yeah, we just bill them whatever we're billing them. I get that. Get what else you need next.
I got whatever change you need. Whatever.
Well, you ripped that whole toolbox door open over there.
Yeah, I see that.
You can't grab the rail on these. But I'm thinking we got two options. Option one is a blue endless loop between the wheels to the outside. Option two is double back a 26-foot flat strap under the frame.
Doing like a complete wrap. I would just drag it over. I get what you're trying to end up doing, but
well, I want to get some weight off of it. I'm not going to lift the whole thing, so I'm thinking blue endless loops to the yeah. Get some weight off it so it doesn't blow tires. Huh?
Still on hold.
Yeah, I believe it. Is that a 10? What size is that?
Possibly an existing breakdown. I've got a Maverick truck that's out here in Oak Grove, Kentucky that ended up hitting a truck, so the police called us out. So it was calling pretty much.
Yeah, that's what we're getting. No, the other one's staying here. Okay. Are they aware that it is a this is a police rotation call? Okay. TTN just called dispatch.
So so you called our dispatch.
And would like for us to what?
So that's probably why. That's why it didn't come to us. So. Okay. All right, hold on a moment. Do you have a PO or anything?
Okay, put it all in the call. She's got one.
She's got everything?
Yep, we're good.
My dispatcher got it.
All right, thanks.
Yep. Do you need anything else from
From TTN? No.
TTN? No?
No.
Okay. All right.
They mainly just wanted us to take control of the scene.
You already have.
Yeah. This one might be a little hard to fish between.
He's got that CTIS. Careful for that CTIS.
Yeah, well this one's gonna be the way it's wrapped up in this bumper. It's gonna be hard to get in it. I'm gonna do something different over here. I went rim sling on the other side. So I'm gonna use it just to pull. They're free.
Now I'm looking at your bubble. Figure I can do this over while you're still getting all that ready.
I'm done over there.
I figured that.
Right. Are you good here? Are you good here?
Controls and I'll hold this one down. Kind of be a little like Ethan, but yet, you know, not like Ethan. I'll just go up and I'll hold it.
That should be plenty. We just walk it over there and hook it to that one. So I'm gonna put some lift on this side and then winch on that side.
Did he tell you about the other truck?
It's staying here.
They got no driver for it?
Yeah. All right, go ahead and jump down, Shane. Good? Is that just that toolbox?
Door. You're off of it, but I still go as close as you can.
Yeah.
I get everything. Zip tie.
Huh?
Give me one with the zip tie.
I got zip ties. I just put that on there. I'll leave them on. We got originally called because there was 2 trucks involved. We didn't know. Nobody knew what was going on, what we were going to have to do. So me and Shane both just went ahead and rolled out here. It turned out to be a 1-truck job. Oh well. It happens.
I got all truck information. I got rigging photos, 4 photos. I'm not getting out the photos.
Okay. No, don't worry about it. She's a-raining now.
Got all the information. I got all the trucks information.
Let me look up the account.
He's right here.
Yeah, let me look up the account and see what's...
What, the other company?
No, the account, TTN.
Oh.
All right. Well, that was not too bad of a deal. So, yeah, it wasn't too bad of a deal at all. Got that knocked out. I don't know how much of that you saw. It started raining pretty good on us right there. So, hopefully it turns into a good video. I'm sure Ethan will be able to make something work with it. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.